Alright guys, so I just upgraded to the Pengrade high performance oil. So I was getting lifter noise on cold start sometimes with my old oil. So this has zinc in it, so it's like supposed to help that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get a cold start. That's empty now, so haven't started it. I think it's just a day, but still, it's kind of cold out here.